Hey there, are you tired of the same old look on your Google Chrome browser? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into how you can give your browser a fresh, new look by changing its theme. Let's jump right in and see how you can do it. First things first, fire up your Chrome browser on your computer. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the Customize Chrome button at the lower right corner of the screen. After that, hit the Change Theme button. Next up, select the theme that changes your eye from the options presented. But hey, if none of these themes suit your fancy, scroll all the way down and click on Chrome Web Store. From there, find the theme you like and click on it. Then simply hit that Add to Chrome button. Voila! Your chosen theme will be installed and ready to go. Now, if you don't spot the Customize Home button, here's an alternative method. Click on the three-dot icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Select Settings from the menu that pops up. Next, navigate to Appearance in the left side menu, then click on Theme, then click on Theme. This will take you directly to the theme store. Choose your desired theme and once again hit that Add to Chrome button, and just like that, your new theme will be set. So folks, that's how you change the theme in your Google Chrome browser on your PC. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.